to buy gems in Brawl Star with PayPal. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to buy gems in your Brawl Star with your PayPal account. So first of all, just open your Brawl Star account, and after that just simply log into your account using your Supercell ID. And once you're there into your account, just click on the shop icon from the left hand side of the screen in order to buy gems in your Brawl Star account. And right now you are in the shop section of the Brawl Star account that you are using, and when you will scroll down you will be able to see a bunch of different options like Golden Week, free ballers, Golden Week, etc., and the categories skins and gems pack. Since you want to buy gems in your Brawl Star using your PayPal, so first of all just simply select the kind of the pack of the gems that you would want to buy. So there are different packs of the gems that you can buy. So for example, the minimum of the gem pack has 30 gems in it, and the maximum limit for that is 2000. So you can buy according to your limit and your pocket. So for example, I want to buy the second one right here. Just simply click on it. And as soon as you click on it, you will be redirected to the page where you have to make your payment method section, where you have to enter your payment details in order to make this purchase happen. Since as you can see that the PayPal is not available directly in your Brawl Star account as of now, so you need to get your PayPal card with you. And if you don't have the PayPal card, just get the credit card that has been linked with your PayPal account in order to make this purchase happen. And after that, just enter your PayPal card details like your card number, expiration date, CVC code, and billing address. And once you're done entering all the details, just simply click on continue, and you will be able to get the gems that you're buying. So this is basically how you will be able to buy gems in Brawl Star using your PayPal account. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.